You just configured your SMTP connection, but would you launch a campaign on faith alone? One bad credential, and every single email in that batch bounces silently. Vyroq gives you 2 ways to know for sure, right from the connections table. Hit test, and Vyroq checks the connection itself. A test result. Panel drops in showing SMTP status, and IMAP too if you've set that up. Each marked verified or failed. But a passing connection test isn't proof, an email actually lands. So click Send Test, a mini panel opens, send a test email through this configuration. Type any address into recipientexample.com and hit Send. Within seconds, test email. Sent confirms delivery, or if something's off, the exact error message tells you what to fix instead of leaving you guessing. And back on the table, that connection's verified badge updates automatically so your whole team can see. It's production ready at a glance. No more crossing your fingers before a send. Verify once, then launch every campaign with total confidence. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.